these are 5 things that I love about the Soundcore P30i earbuds from Anker. The first thing I want to briefly talk about is the phone stand, obviously. Now, should I say obviously? If you watched my unboxing, then yeah, it's pretty clear that I love the fact that this charging case is not only a charging case, but it's also a phone stand. And I won't say obviously because you probably didn't expect this. Show me another set of earbuds that includes a built-in phone stand. I absolutely love that feature. Number 2, exceptional battery life. You get 10 hours on a single charge. But that's not it. You also get 45 hours total using this, the included charging case. Number 3, the stylish black and white contrast design. I love that. I'm a big fan. But of course, with that said, if you don't want the black and white design, then well, yeah, you don't have to go with black and white, meaning that Anker does have several color choices available. Number 4, and this actually blew my mind. Guys, please understand, I'm a big fan of bass, and anytime I use small earbuds such as these, I don't expect the world out of them, you know? But guys, I gotta be honest with you right now, and I mean this, every single word. The bass performance, it's surprisingly really good. You will not be disappointed. My ears were shaking. And finally, number 5, the magnetic charging case is just so convenient. And by magnetic, I mean you simply drop the earbuds in, bada bing, bada boom, you're charging via USB-C.